Welcome back, guys. So today we will start the second episode of our drift track build series. Let's start the video by rebuilding the engine. Unfortunately, I couldn't film the assembly of the crankcase. It showed a bit of a warp and the threads were damaged. So I had to take it to a machinist shop and get it fixed. Now let's keep going with the assembly of the gearbox. Enjoy the time lapse.